trumpcoin, let's check out what happened to the price and see if there's a good trade setup in play. This is the 1-minute chart, and we can see price just moved up about 14% after he has made this announcement. While this is only the 1-minute chart, we can see a bearish divergence forming on Market Cipher. Price moved up, but momentum dropped, and money flow transitioned from green to red. Additionally, there are 2 red diamonds. Since this entry was missed, we'll look to see if we can still find a setup. Let's look at the 1-day time frame. There isn't much to go off except that the momentum waves seem to be less deep than before. The 12-hour time frame shows a similar setup, but there's nothing we can currently use. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see consistent selling pressure, although money flow hasn't stayed in the green for this long in quite a while. Moving to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that red dots, in combination with bearish divergences, have been solid entry signals. It might be worth setting an alert for when the next 1-hour red dot forms. We can then check if a bearish divergence has formed and decide whether to take the trade. The 24-minute time frame doesn't provide much insight either. However, it makes sense to set an alert on the second red dot to see if a bearish divergence has formed. Let's see if we can find more hints by looking at the volume profile. There should be strong resistance around the $13 to $13.50 price range. I will also set alerts there to check the charts once the price hits that range. The other alert I will set is for when the price sweeps $10.58. In that case, I will look to see if bullish divergences form and whether the $10.58 level is reclaimed.